How's it going, tubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to an unboxing video. This is probably the most expensivest thing I am gonna unbox on my channel right here, right now. You guys are probably expecting that I'm gonna get PS5 and unbox it today, but I'm gonna leave PS5 until January because of my personal reasons. If you want to know my personal reason and personal advice why I'm waiting and not getting a PS5 until January, please send me a message on the comments below, or even better, talk to me on Twitter, and I will explain why I do not want to get PS5 right now. No jokes that you're probably thinking there's no stock, that's why you can't get it, but I actually cancelled my order really. But I'm gonna wait until January. Anyways, here is the weird box. I'm guessing this is the protection box that it comes in. I got this, well, I didn't even tell you what it is. This is the Samsung Note 20 Ultra. I bought this from the official Samsung website. It is on sale right now because of Black Friday and everything, early Black Friday deal. Well, to be honest with you, it's not even a sale really. If you were to think about the price, this is the original price of this phone is in the UK is £1,399, and I got it on this mini sale that is going on for exactly £929. It is on sale as we speak. Right, this is the box you get, Samsung there, and it seems like the phone box is, oh my days, it's proper. Wow, it's somehow, it's literally stuck pretty badly here. Wow, should I just rip this or what? I'll rip that. Rip it, rip it, rip it. Here we go. I've been waiting all day for this, man. Here is the Note 20 Ultra 5G version. I don't know why you call it 5G, because I don't think there's any other Gs you can get this in. This is the official box of the phone. As you can see, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it says N20 and it's got the pen right in the middle of it. Dude, the box is huge. I really hope the phone is not the same size as the box, because if it is, I am pretty much screwed. I want this phone to at least fit in my pocket. Depending on what color you get the phone, that's what the color you're gonna get of the basically pen and the theme out here. So let's dive right into it. It says here, do not accept if seal is broken, caution package. Right, let's break this damn seal. This time I'm prepared. I have a knife. Let's do it so gently, man. Let's see if I don't damage the box. Oh wow, it just sunk in. So here we go, guys. First look at the Samsung Note 20. Dude, that is looking amazing. Incredible, man. Let's pop that out right out. Wow. It's not that big, actually. Well, actually it's huge compared to what I've got right now. But yeah, I've got the Mystic Black version, all glass. Here's the camera, and let's see. Most YouTubers put it this way. However, I will put it this way. And it's not as bad as pointing that way, but whatever. But anyways, that's the phone. I cannot wait to play about with that. And inside the box, what do we have here? We've got like a little flap, and inside the flap you have got the amazing charger, fast charger. This is I think it's 25 milliamp. I forgot. Yes, it is 25 milliamp fast charger. So let's put that to a side. What we have here in the small mini boxes is the Type-C connector to the Type-C connector, and also we have, oh wow, we got headphones in here. Why do we have headphones in here when, oh, it's Bluetooth? Wait, all right, yeah, we got the headphones that connect to the Type-C, because this phone does not have the headphone jack, so that's what it is. So it comes with the Type-C headphones. Wow, I've not seen many Galaxy Ultra users to get that out of the box. And what else do we have here? Okay. Oh wow, the actual manual, instruction manual and stuff like that is stuck in the box. We have this, and it's got all the paperwork inside, the warranty and stuff like that right inside the box. You probably don't even need to see that. And also yeah, it's got the SIM card tray, and yeah, all the wait, you know what, let me just have a quick look at the paperwork. What's the paperwork like, man? Because most YouTubers skipped the paperwork, but me, I gotta look into the paperwork, man. If you can remember my watch that unbox, I forgot what it was called. Dude, that was oh, the warranty card is there, man. The warranty card is the main thing. Of course, I've waited for the official website, so the warranty card is gonna be there. But you can never be too, you know, safe with this. So, anyways, here's everything what you get from the box, and yeah. But anyways, let me put all the extras away. Too many little bits and bobs. You know, I paid a lot of money for this. I was expecting at least a small, tiny little protector for the phone, man. Because I'm not gonna touch this phone. I'm not gonna use this phone until I get the one that I've ordered from Amazon. Once I get that, that's when the phone's gonna be in my pocket. Other than that, I'm not putting this beautiful thing in my pocket just like that. Or what the hell? Too many cardboard. Let's just, you know what? Let's just put this over and away as it is. Let's have a close look at the phone. Unfortunately, in this video, I'm not gonna turn it on. This video is just a sole unboxing video. So here's the phone, man. It's wrapped in plastic, literally everywhere. Wow. It's got the volume rocker, and it's got the power button, no Bixby button at the side, and it has the SIM card tray right at the top, the camera over there, and also the S Pen, which is the main reason why I got this. Wow. There's the X Pen. Black version. This is gonna be my first Note, Samsung Note series phone. I've never actually got a Note series phone, but here it is. And yeah, if you're gonna want more videos of me describing what the phone's all about and what's it all about, do not forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to comment below what you would like to see about the phone, and then we will take it from there. And other than that, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace out.